Well, figures. It's raining. You might as well take the amphibious plane out.
Yeah.
Is he just doing that to piss off Tim Wells?
This thing's awesome. I've flown in it Mifflin before.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Have you landed on the water with it too?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What's that like?
Awesome.
It must be a kind of a sudden stop, isn't it?
No. No, it's not.
No, yeah. I remember going to the Seaplane Fest at Hammondsport, and when I rode the Widgeon, when we landed it, it's kind of like landing on the grass runway here.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. That's a pretty good analogy. It is.
But I mean, it does slow you down and stop you. You know,
Eventually.
it's not like...
Once it comes down off a plane, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When the floats hit the water, you're going along pretty good, and it's what you call up on step. And as long as it's up on step, it goes pretty good. When you pull the throttle, and it sinks down, and then it stops pretty quick.
How about taking off? What's that like? I mean, then you have to get back up on step.
Yes. Basically, rear end of the airplane rocks back, starts to mush. Then you push it forward to bring the tail up and put pressure on the front of the floats. And once it comes back up on step, then it gets off the water from here to the other side of the runway.
It's like water skiing.
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't do that.
basically.
Couldn't get up on the stupid skis.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I used about 1,100 feet.